And I feel like if my hair was really, really thick, this is what she would look like, but
listen long, long enough if you can love me.
hi ladies and gentlemen, I'm back with another video, and guess what? It's not Wine and Wigs Wednesday. It's Synthetic Saturdays. How you doing? First of all, I know y'all noticed the quality. Look who got a camera. So, y'all seen this wig before. I haven't been purchasing wigs because there's a lot going on right now. Trying to conserve my money. I haven't been working with brands either until I figured out how shipping worked. But now that I'm more comfortable, I will be doing in the future more wig reviews. But for now, I've been doing throwbacks. Okay, I've been doing wigs that I've worn in the past, and then I pull them out of my wig closet, which was right here, and I fall in love with them all over again. This beautiful girly is the Sensational Game Changer wig, and she is a 3C4A or the type 4. Originally, I got this wig from Sam's Beauty, but you can also buy her on Amazon. I did a little Amazon live doing a makeup look, doing a wig look. So if y'all want to check out this wig, please go ahead and click the link down below. In the meantime, in between time, I'm going to tell y'all how much I love this wig. If y'all have been with me for a while, you've seen this wig before. I think I've had her for about a year or a little bit over a year. This wig is a synthetic wig. It is a lace closure synthetic wig. So you can wear her as a middle part. You can wear her like this, boom, like this, which I think is super duper cute. Or you can wear her like I've been wearing today, to the side with a little moment. I think this one's my favorite little look. Let me be a real girl and take her off. It has like a mini little part right here and a little bit of lace on the front. This wig originally came a lot longer than this. This one was like a longer wig. Why I look so muscular in this camera? But I decided to cut her down because I wanted shape. I want her to have body. And I feel like if my hair was really, really thick, this is what she would look like. But let me actually show you the back. I absolutely love this wig. She's super, super affordable. This wig is just bomb. Like, I just love her. So, if y'all have any questions about this wig, please leave them down below. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Y'all, I'm going to be coming in with new, fresh content. Because guess who has a camera? Me. I've been filming on my phone for years. Finally got it. Now I'm ready to go. I'm ready to take off running. So, if y'all have any requests for videos, because I got the range now, please let me know down below. I would love to see them. Please subscribe to my channel. Please follow me on Instagram because the photos will be popping. I got time and I got a camera, so I'm ready. I love y'all to pieces, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.